Hey guys, this is Mark Yo here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have come to one of my favorite part of doing video, which is to do screen and speaker tests. So I have here right now 3 of the hottest phones which are available in the market in Malaysia right now, which is the Xiaomi 12 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S22 and Oppo Reno 7 Pro. Yes, all of them have AMOLED display, at least those speakers. Why I say so? Because for the Xiaomi 12 Pro, it's actually have quad speaker setup. One woofer and one tweeter at the top left of the phone, and one woofer and one tweeter at the bottom right. So let's start with the AMOLED screen test. So all these 3 phones actually have a superb and vibrant AMOLED screen. And the Xiaomi 12 Pro has a 6.73-inch screen by Samsung. And the Samsung Galaxy S22 screen is 6.1-inch. And the Oppo Reno 7 Pro screen is 6.5-inch. So guys, before we start the screen test, the video resolution has been set to 1080p, okay, because only the Xiaomi 12 Pro supports 2K resolution, whereas the S22 and also the Oppo Reno 7 Pro only has a Full HD display. And also this is the Samsung S22, Oppo Reno 7 Pro, and also the Xiaomi 12 Pro. So what do you guys think about the screen performance? Let me know in the comments below. So the next one is actually the speaker test. And as I mentioned just now, the Xiaomi 12 Pro has a quad speaker setup powered by Harman Kardon and Dolby Atmos. As for the Samsung Galaxy S22 here, the dual speakers are powered by Dolby Atmos. As for the Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G, there's no certification whatsoever, not which I know. So guys, the volume has been set to maximum for all these 3 phones. The next one is still the speaker test, but we'll test using slow song. So there you go guys, my screen and speaker test on the latest Xiaomi 12 Pro, Samsung S22 and Oppo Reno 7 Pro. So which one performed better? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, take care, stay safe and peace guys.